Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the device cannot access the Windows update files. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot setting, open it. Go to other troubleshooters and select the Windows update troubleshooter to run it. Check for Windows update issues detected guys. Click did you want to fix your problem, click yes and close the troubleshooters guys, and on left side here is Windows update, click on it. And in your computer you need to check whether you are up to date guys, and check for updates again, and if you get anything listed over here you just need to update it. After that, close out of here if you not get resolved by this doing troubleshoot. Let's move on to the next step guys. For that, go to cmd search menu and type cmd run as administrator, click on it and click yes, and check my video description for these two commands guys. Copy the first command. This is file checking utility scan. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys, press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it to complete it. After finishing this 100% verification guys, go and copy the next command in my description of my video. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys, press enter. This 4% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it. Wait for till it's complete 100%. After finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, attempt to check for updates and you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.